What's good, my people? What's good? Come on. Of course, Danny is around. Well, guess what? Let's go. Yeah. It's all about Mad Tunes. Here, trading with Daniel, of course. Once again. And here we go, You know how we going about here. It's our trading with Daniel. Greetings to everyone who's joining right now. Yes, I'm seeing Uzu, Emmanuel, Hassan, Big Man, Wells. Whoa. Why is everyone rushing in right now, guys? Tell me. Anyway, how was your day? Guys, talk to me. How was your day? How is the week going for you? Like, how is it starting out for you? How is the day going for you? How are the trades? Tell me, talk to me. How is everything going up? Anyway, I'm glad that I'm here with you guys, and I'm happy that I'm here with you, hoping to achieve the best, Still learning. Hassan says he's still learning. It's okay. Me too. I'm learning every day. I tell you guys, whenever I come here with you guys live, I also be learning with you, So we are all still in the learning pattern, and we all learn something new every day, We got the notification, so we rushed in. Yes, that's why I told you guys, whenever you hit the subscription button, don't forget to hit that notification tab, just in case I'm here, I come in with you, So bad, so good. Sailor. Hey Mia, how are you? Thanks for joining in. How are you doing? We've been missing you bad, How are you doing? Thanks for joining in. Seriously, since morning markets have been so bad until this evening. I was even thinking if it continues, we might not see you. Why? Actually, yeah, you thought right. Whenever I don't get a very good day in the markets, sometimes I disappear. But I rather come here and we tackle the markets together. It's better if we go into the market together, even if it's bad or good. We go in together with you guys, and we find out for ourselves if everything is okay, Daniel will always be available, whether the bar in good or bad market. True. Or else is kidnapped. Yeah. But right now, everyone is in a season of right now it's kind of hot, and for someone to kidnap you right now, maybe they're taking for a boat cruise or vacation, because the way it's hot right now, I believe the water right now is burning hot, Anyway, the summer is on. True. And let's see how the Brent oil today does it. So, today I began the Brent oil OTC. I'll be in the Brent oil OTC, go in the crude oil, and then later on we shall see what else we shall test out, Yesterday I left live stream when I was testing out the stocks, and I was still in the Facebook Inc. Come on, let's climb this. Oh my God, I've just come in. Come on, don't do it. I've just come in like this. I've just signed in. Oh my days. I've just come in and the market decided to take me out. Anyway, I still have $60 right there. Let me start with $6. No problem. Let's go. Start with $6. We grow it to 300. Then now we go back to our risk management. Let's say 100. Something that is better for everyone. Hey Raul, how are you? Thanks for joining in. Hassan said, "What's the strategy for today?" Well, the strategy is always as usual, and the way it goes is simple. We use the Daniel super trading strategy. We combine the prices, the kind of structures, the kind of sticks, plus the Bollinger Bands to get a very good confirmation here. And we also use the oscillator at the bottom for our direction of the trade. When I get my confirmation at the bottom, I confirm that in the bands, and once it's in, I go in. Like right now, look at the way it's confirming right there. Look at the way it's confirming right here, boys. Look at the way it's confirming right here. So the direction came in at the bottom indicator, and the confirmation was inside the band, so I just had to go in. Beautiful. Beautiful. 6 dot. Back to 12. Let's go 100%. Let's go 100%. I mean, the Poto is around, guys. Poto is around. Blessed to everyone, of course. Hey, Poto, how are you? Thanks for joining in. How was your day? Hope you're doing good. Welcome. Second time. The price is somehow dropping down. So I'm seeing a small manipulative buys in here, but I won't go for that. Hold on. Let's confirm this and see. Okay, still moving downwards. So it's having a small manipulative buys in here that are coming in, and let's try to get a best position, and we can see if we can go for this. And they are all my days. My movement is changing. My direction is changing at the bottoms. And once it begins to change, I shake around. And let's see how it goes. I'm going to go for it right here. I'm going to risk it right here. Why not? I'm going to risk it right here. Alexis, how are you? Thanks for joining, brother. How are you doing? Yeah, we're in, brother. We're in. Beautiful. That was a nice risk. Let's go again. My target is only $300. That's my target. Then I go back to my risk management, okay? I lost my 200 earlier. So I'm supposed to make this back. Small account, say hi. Small account, say hello. Don't go there. Look at the way the oscillator is at the bottom at levels of 20, and it's trying to make a curve right here. Yes, that's a good confirmation right here. Let's go. It's moving upwards, and we go with the uptrend, of course. That shows that buyers are coming in, though we're having smaller, actually not even small, but stronger manufacturers in the sales. Okay, nice. 43. Let's go that. I think you've seen how I confirm my direction with the oscillator. That gives me very good confirmation, and I'll confirm that inside the bands with the prices, and that's when I take my entry. Oh my days. FBI is around. Cameroon love. What's good, brother? Let's join in. Police in the house. Whoop, whoop. It's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. It's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. It's the sound of the police. Guys, careful. The FBI man is around. Agent of the bureau. Okay, now the Brent oil is kind of choppy right now. This is what Uso was talking about. Today markets have been so crazy. Yes. And the Brent oil is also turning out to be from, because we began earlier, the way it was good. Right now, it's changing its motion into becoming volatile. But anyway, let's try to wait it out and see how it goes, and see if we can get some beautiful cash in here today. Hey, Poto. Let's see if we can get some beautiful cash in here and take it to the ground. What's good, bro? Oh, yes. Yes, Cameroon was good. Was good. Of course. How was the gym session today? Did you miss gym? What was leg day? You know, there's what we call no missing leg day. How was the gym session today? It's great here. Having our strong boys in here. Raphael Freeman, that's good, brother. Long time, brother. Long time. No see. How are you doing, brother? Thanks for joining in. Come on. Oh my days. That was 1 second. Oh my god. In the last second, that's how I take a down. I've worked for that, by the way. I worked for that like real hard. Anyway, let's go back again. Let's try again. Same round, let me get something like 100. Let's start from 100. Hey Hassan, thanks for joining in. Welcome, policeman. Salute. Cameroon Mia is around. She should come out and clear Daniel and Porto's name. Dave, this guy. This guy. This guy is on my ass. Mia, please come and tell Emmanuel what's happening between you and Emmanuel. Emmanuel wants to know something. We want to know between you guys. Are you guys dating, you and Emmanuel? I know. Come on, yes, let's go. Up. Climb, baby, climb. Beautiful. You give me that Zenzeli. What type of sick shit going on in this chat? I know people like Cameroon, people like Emmanuel. Like, bro, should come on. I don't know. Like, I think these guys are dating. This is my theory here. My theory is Emmanuel and Mia are dating. Emmanuel is saying not me, Daniel. It's you, but you're trying to pass it to me. You're having a she can be for private mentorship. Manuel. Whoa, Brent oil. I must tell you, Brent oil, guys. I must tell you, Brent oil. Kind of crazy. Anyway, let's go. Let's try and look out. Let's go and look and see if the crude oil is also doing the same. Because Brent oil is becoming kind of hard for me, Oh, actually, crude oil is doing good. Let me go for the doubles here. Let's go for in double shots right here. Come on, guys. I was kidding about the private thing with Daniel. It's just a good. Yes, yes, yes. Emmanuel, I think you've seen this. Yes, me, I tell you. You talk as if you're afraid to distract people from learning here. Who are those that are being from like? $1K, okay. I had a rough beginning, by the way, guys. I had a rough beginning, but now I'm back to my normal streak. 1K. What is the target, Daniel? Well, the target is gonna be simple. I don't want anything much. The target is simple. It's just 20K or 25. Because today the markets have been crazy choppy. For me to set out my target, I look at how that market has been moving during that day, and then I'll set my target of that day. But if a market is good, uh, but if the market too is good and if the market is good, like during that day, I come in with a big target of like 40 or 50K. So if you can use the same things like the way I do that, we can all be the same. We are different people. I know, true, and we are different people, true, yes, and we all have different targets, right, true. But always, what we have in common is that we all have targets and goals. That's what we have in targets. That's what at least we should have that as traders. We should all have goals in a day of trading. In our trading, we should have goals. And for someone who's having a small account there, let's say something below $50, below $20, below $10, your target at least should be in a day should be at least like 100 or 200. Don't exceed that. The moment you're exceeding that, you're going to lose focus. You're going to lose your structure in gaming. You're going to lose your stance. I'm telling you. Why? First of all, you're having an account that has been below $10, and you're trying to have a big target of like 501K in a day. That's a big target for your account. That's a very big target. I'd advise for you to get that target of 1K or 2K at least the next week for you after getting consecutive 200s in let's say 4 times in your week. So that's how I believe that we are traders and we all have the same goals, let's say, and the same mindsets. Though accounts are different, okay? And at least if we can do that, we can work together and we can be together in the same family. I don't know if we are at par here, guys. Are we at par? I don't know if we're at par. I don't know if we're together. Whoa, the chat is burning. The chat is burning. What's happening in the chat section? I'm talking to man blabs too much. Lol, it's not like a book. But the truth is that sometimes it's not because when the talks become so much, yes, true, I distracts. Everyone says I talk too much. My bad. Sorry, Emmanuel. Everyone is saying that Emmanuel talks too much. Well, Emmanuel's here. Emmanuel is around to give us the vibe and hey, he keeps us company. I love that. I wouldn't. Who hates that? I love that. Just like a saying that says, "Work without play, made Jack a dull boy." So I feel like overworking needs to be calm and you need to relax and. You need to relax and calm down. So I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying right now. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying right now. Like work without play, like seems like it's not good work, you know. Even though when I'm alone trading alone in my daily hours, I trade and I go to the treadmill. I have a treadmill at home, like I have a treadmill. So after trading, and I feel like I'm kind of weak, I go to my treadmill and do some runs. You know, they keep me up. They're like my boosters. You know, let me first increase my price here. Let's see how this uptrend goes in. And guys, don't forget what I said. Don't forget what I said earlier. I say we are all traders and we're all the same traders. That's what we have in common. And what we have, the best thing that we have in common is that we all have goals, you know. But I don't want us to have what we call extravagant goals, like goals that don't mean sense, you know. Like you're having a goal in your head, but your account is only below 20 or below 10, but your goal is for someone who's having an account that is below 500. So I wouldn't want that. I know we all want the same thing. We all want to make it out better and nice. But at least we should have what we call reasonable goals, you know? Because the moment you hit more than what your goal is, I'm telling you, there's what we call excitement. Excitement is going to kill you out. That's what I call emotions. They're going to kill you out. You're going to find out that what you've made is going to become a zero in the next second. You know? So I don't know if we're together here, but I think you're getting something, okay? And let's continue with our trades here. I'm seeing my bottom indicator is dropping downwards. If you can see that too, you're gonna see that the direction is changing, and you're gonna see that confirmation inside the bands. Let's go for triple. I think you've seen that, guys. We got a very good confirmation down in the bottom bands that the price is changing, and we got very good in the Bollinger bands that the price is also changing direction, and we got a very good confirmation right there. How do you confirm this? The price touches the upper bands, the second price comes inside the bands, and the third price comes after the next price, move the following the same direction. This works vice versa. In sells or buys, same shit, same stuff. Though, guys, be careful. Though sometimes they are what you call pullbacks and reversals. You might get a very good confirmation, and you get a pullback in price. Not also a pullback, but also a manipulation. A manipulation is where the price tries to come in back, as let's say you're dropping it downwards. A buyer's trying to come back, and then all of a sudden you're out of the trade, and then again sellers are still moving forward. So that's what you call a manipulation there, you know. So you have to be careful and you have to watch out for all that. That is why timing is necessary. Timing is needed. The moment you confirm your entry, go in. Don't wait for anything, you know. Poor 7 traders in the chat, including me. yeah, we're here to learn together. True. We are hungry for knowledge. And I'm also told you guys, I'm also here to learn with you. You know, I'm also learning something new. Whenever I see something new, I also learn that. I learn every day. We are traders and we learn every day. The market teaches us something different every day, you know. I think you saw what happened to the gold. The gold. Who knew that gold would drop to almost to 410, you know? Who knew? Did you? But most traders were out because we're expecting a buy. You know, that is something that you can't anticipate in the market. You never know that what's going to come out is going to be rough. And the way gold was moving the previous week, actually, it was too manipulative and it was too crazy volatile. It not only in the 1 minute trend structures, but only in the 15 and the 30 minutes. They were all crazy manipulative. So you couldn't know what came in next, you know. So a lot of traders lost that out. Most were expecting the buys, and guess what? The market was chopped. That's what we call NFP. The market was chopped crazy. Now let's continue with our trades here. Come on. This is what I'm talking about. You get a good confirmation inside the bands, and then all of a sudden there's a pullback in price. What's happening? Come on. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I think you've seen this. Wow. We take a hit right there. We take a hit. We take a hit. Daniel, any broker ever ban you yet? Uh, those days when I just began, there's a robot that I used to use, and I think it was the robot's mistake. But those days I didn't have a VIP elite account. I used to have a robot that, but I forgot the robot. I don't remember the name of the robot. I used to use a robot, and the robot was making obscene, I should say obscene trades. The robot was taking obscene trades, obscene, and all trades were coming out nice. But the problem came in. The problem came in after the broker detecting that I'm using a robot. I was directly banned. And guess what? My account was blocked with almost 6K. I left that 6K there. And I could sign in, look at my 6K, but I couldn't do anything, So, but right now, I can't get that shit because I got a VIP Elite account, and I learned how to trade this myself, This is exactly how it has been happening since today. True. Manipulations and pullbacks, Price has been misbehaving a lot today. Price has been misbehaving a lot. Anyway, just sip a Fanta and move on, Just sip a Fanta and move on. Okay, Hassan. Same shit, same time tomorrow. Ah, bro, what the fuck was that? What was that? Like Emmanuel, wife prepared him. Emmanuel, what is Poto saying? Emmanuel, what is Poto saying? Poto is saying something here. Emmanuel 8 said that word. Bro, guys came in earlier and were throwing stones at him, you know? These guys were throwing stones at him. Buddy, he's my G, my good guy. Nice. We have got some good trades in this uptrend. And let's use it the way it's moving up, you know? Let me increase this to 500. It was attacked by a book. Emmanuel, bro, where are you? Come on, first come and tell us. Poto is talking about a wife something. I don't know what he's saying, but first come and tell us. First come, what is Poto talking about? Man, gonna eat his dinner. Maybe Poto is already a professional who also doesn't want us to learn. Bro, Ebuka, we are all here to run, brother. We are all here to run, and we all have the same perspective here. It's just that everyone learns differently, you know? Everyone learns differently. Some learn quiet, some learn listening. Which is not bad, you know? Not bad. And hey, as I said earlier, please work without play. That's not work. You're just cramming shit. So instead of cramming, you can learn, get to know, and then you know what to do, you know? I remember when days when it's to go for tests, and then you go in cramming a lot of shit and you don't know shit. Then you end up forgetting whatever you read because you're cramming, you know? Poto is laughing. 6K, let's go. The comment is funny as far. I know. True, it's funny. I wish, bro. Psych. Bro, hurry up. Where are you at? I'm coming. Slow but sure, I'm coming. We take a hit right there. No, no, no. Oh. No, no, no. Then let's drop rates right here. Take some more trades in here. And another one right there. True. Let's go. Nice, nice. Come on, drop it. Look at that. Look at the way it's moving here. Damn. Let me see this. Just drop it. Let me show it again. Manuel is having some. Manuel is having some puffs. Daniel, what do you always see when you zoom out the market before the prediction? I just want to look at the general structure here and see how the structure is moving. Is it a very good uptrend or a downtrend? So, like, let's say when I zoom out, like right now, you're gonna see that we are having a very good downtrend. Though it's choppy and it's having buys in it, so that's why I zoom out. I zoom out and I look at my structure and see how it looks like. Then I go back. Though sometimes I also look at the support and see all the resistance. But that I don't look at a lot. I only look at the structure and see how it's going. Yes, Uzo, that's right. General market structure, true. General market structure, you need that. Manuel, go back quickly. What is Poto saying? Guys, Poto, what's up? Poto, are you even with us right now or in the bush somewhere? Tell us. Something not right. Look at this reverse in the price here. There's a direction, and if you look at my oscillator, yes, continue. Let me take one more. And I told you, whenever you see that the price is not touching the downer bands, that means you're still having a beautiful uptrend and it's still moving upwards. Until I get a price touching the downer bands, then I'll know anytime soon my price is about to be a reverse, So let me continue going for the uptrend until I get that one price that will touch the downer bands. I can't associate with this chat anymore. Chat is crazy, bro. Chat is crazy. Going to take a bath. Okay. Okay, now you've seen here. The downer bands have been touched the price, and there's a change in the direction. Look at that. So I can't go for the uptrend here anymore, because until I get another confirmation of the uptrend, then we can go for it. But right now we can't go for the uptrend. Look at the way sellers are coming back. So you can see this. Oh, we're having buyers in there. Hold on. Let's see where they go. Oh, it might have been a manipulation. Let's go again. Let's go for the downtrend. Let's go right here. Yonsei. Come on, drop it. Yes. Come on. One more. Beautiful. 15K. Minimum 5K. Hit my target of 20K today. Told you my target today is not that big because the market structure today was so crazy. The data markets have been so crazy, So my target hasn't gone so big. Wow, so the way the market trading up and the price targets are down a band, we should expect a reversal. True, you should expect a reversal anytime soon. Yes, true. But you first have to confirm it. You can't go in that reversal before confirming it, okay? Confirm that reversal, then you go in. You can't enter that reversal because the price might change and it's just a manipulation in the price, 1 and 2 candles that might manipulate you and you're out. And the market does that a lot, by view. The market does that a lot. Ask Uzo will tell you. The market does that a lot. It will be a beautiful uptrend. It's moving upwards for almost like 2 minutes. Then the price will touch the downer band, expecting a reversal coming down. It will come down by only 2 candles or 3 candles. Then it will proceed again back to its normal uptrend, which is what we call a manipulation in the price. So you first have to confirm that reversal before going in that reversal, okay? I mean, you've got that. I've been studying the market closely and found out many things about the candlestick formation and structures. Yes, that is why I gave you that Bible, guys. That Bible has a lot of information. When you read that information and grasp it, you're gonna see a lot of things that I also don't see. Some things I also missed. So you also see the same things there. I'm getting a bit of headache. I don't know why. Could you trade without the Bollinger Bands if you had to? Yes, I could. I could. The main reason why I use the Bollinger Bands in here is to give you a clear confirmation, you know. But you can do this without your Bollinger Bands, you know. Like, I think you've seen that. You can do this without your Bollinger Bands. You just have to look at the prices. But the Bollinger Band is there to give you a clear confirmation. That's the use of the Bollinger Band here, you know. It gives you a clear confirmation. Like, definitely without this, you won't get a clear confirmation. But me, I can do that, you know. I can trade this without a Bollinger Band, of course. Because if you're gonna look at this, let's say, let me give you this an example. Okay, now let's look at this. You're gonna see that the price has touched up, and you're having the second price coming down, the third price moving in the same direction. Have you seen? I hope you're seeing this. I hope you're seeing this, you know. And when it comes back down, oh my God, buys are coming back. Okay, now let's confirm the buys here. First price came in. Let's go double right there. One more. I think you've seen this. Price came in down. Second price came the second, and it's the third price moving the same direction. That's a good confirmation right here. But the reason why I use the Bollinger Bands is that the Bollinger Bands gives you a clear picture of what I'm saying here, you know, and that's why I love using the Bollinger Bands. Because the Bollinger Bands will teach anyone there who is a beginner. Because me too, I learned from the Bollinger Bands to learn how to trade this without the bands. I had to first trade with the bands and learn how the bands react to the price, you know. And without the bands, I can see clearly. Me myself, I'm seeing the bands are there. I can see the bands are right there. I can see them. But I just look at my eyes. I see the bands are right here. You know, I can see the bands are right here. But for someone who has just begun trading, you won't know what's happening here. You will need the bands, you know, and that's why I love teaching with the bands. This is a good one. Let's confirm this. Same direction. Let's go. I think you've seen that. Same direction. Let's go. Let's go again. Same direction. Same direction. Let's go. Now, what we're trying to do here is that have you ever been in a math class? Guys, have you ever been in a math class? Huh? Have you ever been in a math class, guys? There's what we call, let's say you've got an product rule. For those who have been who have done math, when we go to a product rule, is what we call the equation. Then you're having the method, the formula, and then you get the answer. So what I'm doing right here is that I'm having the equation and the answer, but there's no formula and there is no how we're getting here, you know. Everyone with the black screen. Black screen. Someone is asking everyone with the black screen. Are you guys seeing me? Oh, we're in black. I don't know. Nice. Anyway, our target has been got 20k. That was our target, guys. And hope you have got something for the lessons in today. I told you guys every day we learn something new, you know. And I hope you have got something today please don't hesitate to try it out in your demo accounts, okay? Don't hesitate. The demo accounts are there for you to learn. The demo accounts are there for you to learn and getting to know how to use the knowledge, you know. So that is why they use demo accounts. And there are also what we call FTMO hedge funds. There's what we call hedge funds. I almost thought Daniel pulled another disappearing act. Magician. This guy called, what was his name? Forgotten his name. The greatest magician of all. Houdini. Cameron, do you know Houdini? Have you heard of Houdini? The greatest magician of all time. The great Houdini. The great Houdini, the greatest magician of all time. And his death wasn't clear. His death wasn't clear. We all have different ways, different stories about how he died. But anyway, he was a good guy, and he pulled off the greatest stunts ever. You know, he pulled off the greatest stunts ever. Any guys, let's wish the best of the luck for our contestants here. Let's go for the contest. Let's go for the relation contest. Let's wish the best of luck to everyone in here. And our first contestant is Erona. And that's the 3 attempts. Let's go. First attempt is gonna be right here because there's a very good uptrend. Yes. But I'm feeling a bit of headache. I don't know if I'll. Nice. Yeah. Come on. Oh, that was a close one. Guys. Hope you saw that. That was a close one. After a very good confirmation, then the price decides to very fast right there. Anyway, let's go again to last attempt. Last attempt for Arona. You did not read my question. You did not read question. Why? What was your question, Sunny? Sunny had a question. What was your question, Sunny? Tell us. And guess what? The price is still moving downwards, you know. Though I can't go in right here because I'm seeing a strong rejections in here. Let's see if we can get a change in direction anytime soon. Oh my days. Nice rejection right here. Let's go. Come on. Don't come back. Stay up there. Come on. Ooh. Nice. Kongs. Beautiful. That was fire. Kongs, our first contestant, guys. Kongs. These are very good beginning. Here, right here. I boy. TRC 20. Okay. Thank you. Let's meet again next time. Let's go for the. This was the carpenter in the Bible. He was the carpenter in the Bible. I think you all know him, unless you're a pagan. He wants 2K.
You see that I lose my focus when I just found my way to you. Anytime when you hear my focus, tell me what you gonna do. You should come to me. I'm more sad. I'm gonna push that shit you. It is troubling me. I'm so scared. I'm gonna lose my baby. If I'm trust for me, I don't think I can forget what.
Why place 2 or 3 trades in one place? Who wouldn't do that? If you get a good confirmation, why wouldn't you do that? You can't even do multiple. Put 5, put 6, as long as the very best confirmation you get. Just tap the button until you make it high. Sunny. Sunny is having a question, guys. Why place 2 or 3 trades in one place? Sunny, if I get a very good confirmation, why wouldn't I do that? That's what we call milking the market. Milk the market. Milk the market. That's what we call it. Because when the market is gonna milk you, you won't know it. So if it's our turn to milk the market, let's do it. So let's do it hard. Okay? But only do that when you get a very good confirmed entry, I know, feel right. Put a piece on my body. Feel right, feel good to go. I don't know, take a thing. Beautiful. One more item for Joseph. The carpenter is tired of the hammer. That's why he can. So he can take care of Mary. But Mary got a. I won't say this. But Mary got a sugar daddy. Mary got a big dad, So everything is taken care of. You just say so and they'll do. Oh, this is a very good drop. Nah, still dropping. Oh, I couldn't enter this. It's having a crazy structure right here. But let's wait and see if we can get a reversal or a pullback here. God is watching you, Danny. Sorry, Father. Sorry, God. Kongs for Joseph. Kongs. Beautiful. 2K. This guy must be rich. Bro, stop acting like you don't have sugar babies. They look like I have sugar babies. But it wouldn't feel bad, eh? Get that money, spoil those kids, bro. Get that money, spoil them kids. They spoiled us. Why not? Yeah. Why not? Spoil them. Let them get the champagne. Ace of Spades right now is at a very high rates. Everyone wants the Ace of Spades. Get them the champagne. Why not? Right now, those babies want the Ace of Spades. So please, let's work for the Ace of Spades, you know. I wouldn't want to come to your place and you hear my name being screamed at. We're having Super Train in the house. It's showing in your eyes, Daniel. It's screaming. Bitches want Henny. Bitches want Henny. Let's stop it. Come on. Don't. Beautiful. That was nice. Still think about what the Emmanuel was saying. I'm an innocent guy, by the way. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. So I don't know what Emmanuel was saying, you know? I'm innocent. Second attempt for Roku. Second attempt. Beautiful. Cameron is a good guy. He's a party animal. I think so. I bet Cameron is a party animal. He knows how the game goes on, you know? You know, you can always tell us your experience. I was born to stay. Kongs right here. Kongs right here. Kongs, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, guys. TRC20. Please, and please, I'll say this again. For those who make their donations and don't send their wallets, guys, I'll forget about you. So please, when you make a donation, at least take care to send that wallet in my telegrams or in the donation platform, okay? I don't party, I have a boring repetitive life. We all have the same shit. That's why people kidnap us, you know? If my friends come and kidnap you, all you need right now, all you need, Cameron, is a friend who's close by you. You need a buddy who's close by you. A friend or a buddy. Once you get that, I'm telling you, you're gonna enjoy. You're gonna enjoy, you know? Once you get a buddy or a friend that is close to you, you're going to enjoy shit. No more going from gym to home. Straight from work to party mode. Party mode activated. Party mode. Party vibes, you know? Party vibes. Popcorn style, you know? This is the way that I like it. In summertime, this is the way. Beautiful. Cameron needs to be baptized. I know he needs a baptism. should make a baptism for this guy because he needs to clean his blood and his soul. So tonight feels so good. Well, tonight feeling ooh, and nice it's long time, but I got that day Christmas. Yes, baby. Woo! It's long, but I hate to say it, babe. But everything's gonna be. Of course, everything's going down the tubes, guys. Everything's going down the tubes, guys. Don't forget about that. So, whatever situation you're in right now, whatever is not coming through, stop that shit in the tubes. Except for me and you. Don't forget, except for me and you. baby. Come on. Nice. One last attempt. Andrew. Woo!
I've seen this movie before, where they throw the girl out the door, and the guy says we're broke, but we still got each other. But we've been through too much to go back to the start. 'Cause we're still in love. We just falling on hard times. Everything's gonna be alright as long as we're in each other's arms. We're gonna get back on our feet, and it's gonna be alright, baby. It's gonna be alright, baby, 'cause I'm still with you. I hate to say it, baby, but everything's going down the tube. Well, I hate to say it, baby, but everything's going down the tube. Well, I hate to say it, baby, but everything's going down the tube. Except for me and you. Except for me and you. Except for me and you. Everything's going down.
Whoa! Oh! Wow!
Everything's going down too. I hate to say it, baby, but everything's going down the tube. Except for me and you. From 0 to 50, I get excited 'cause it's easy to fix me. 'Cause in the daylight it's good to be living, but in the nighttime I'm losing my mind. Every day, from 0 to 50, I get excited 'cause it's
I think Kenya has hit me.
'Cause in the daylight it's good to be living, but in the nighttime I'm losing my mind. They say what goes up must come down. If I wanna fly, I have to come down. What goes up must come down. If I wanna fly, I have to come down.
Remember, we came in here, we began with the burnt oil, and the burnt oil was messy. And I bet if you go and check the burnt oil right now, you're gonna see that the burnt oil has now relaxed itself. I bet. Someone check burnt oil and say for me. Someone check burnt oil. I bet if you check burnt oil like right now, you're gonna see that burnt oil right now it's doing good. Like if you check and see, you're gonna see what I'm talking about here. Because that's how oil prices react, That's how they all react. It's a mess, lol. Let me come and check. Let me first finish this trade. We check Brent Oil and see how Brent Oil is moving. Cameron is saying it's a mess right now. Let's go and check see how Brent Oil is moving. Let's go and check Brent Oil is moving, guys. Hold on. Oh my days. Oh my days. Shit. Run away. Run. Let's go back to crude oil. Crude oil knows our journey. Let's go back to crude oil. So lazy. Tonight there's nothing. Nice. One more entry. One more attempt. And it's right here. I can see it right here. Of course, let's go. Let's go for Aaron, guys. Let's go for Aaron. Come on. Oh my God! That was a 1 second out. Oh my days. Nice. Last attempt, guys. Oh my days. It's crazy. Oh my God. Wow. What the fuck is this? Anyway, Kongs. That was a close call. Guys, I'm having a slight headache, like a little bit of headache, but I want to finish this contest before I leave out because I'm not feeling good. Let me try to finish these names before because I have the rest of these guys. I'll do them tomorrow. Those of saying so the next Caltex. All those guys, what's on? You guys, I'll put you on tomorrow's list, okay? Sorry about today. Today, I don't think I'll do you all. Slight headache. Sorry, bro. Thank you, Ebuka. Thank you. Get some rest, bro. Finish tomorrow. True. I want to get some rest. But if I don't finish these guys, it should feel like a burden to me, I feel bad because they have seen their names. So if I don't do them at least today, I'll feel bad.
If I had to promise you, I would do some crazy things. But I'd probably just go back to you. Cause I never
One more
know
attempt.
what I'm gonna do. If I had to promise you, if I had to promise you, if I had to promise you, if I had to promise you.
Oh, I need one more to make 1-5. Okay, let's risk it. Let's risk it. Let's risk it.
You're the diamond on my eyes, like we're made out of stars. You're the wish upon my star. So let's go.
Oh, I went in half. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. A win is a win. Come on, hit it. A win is a win. A win is a win. Kongs, Mark. I have a friend called Mark. I think he's in Florida. He told me he moved to Florida. That's why he went. Mark. I feel I should call Mark. It's been long. I should call him. Oh, today's TRC is winning.
He says to me, crying at the benches, with eyes like a hurricane. Wicked words like whiskey on his tongue. He's telling me I am the one, but that's not true.
Because I like not everything takes to me. The burden is like the nights. The burden is Yeah.
And you can't take that from me. I've cried too many nights.
Number one in this family. Kongs.
I guess it's just like us girls to act helpless. It's hard not to let the compliments in, but I won't let that happen again. No, I won't let that happen again. No. And you can't take that from me. I've cried too many nights to let a man ruin my peace. And you can't take that from me. I've cried too many nights to let a man ruin my peace.
Kongs, damn y'all fast. True. Guys are fast. That was a beautiful. Anyway, that was a beautiful one. Let me go for the last contest as I go get some rest because I'm not feeling good. If you haven't seen your name, don't worry. As long as I confirm the transaction, don't worry, you're gonna be on tomorrow's list. Today I'm not feeling good, I'm not feeling fine. I'm having a little bit of headache and I feel like it's persisting, like it's persisting, you know? You know that there's that headache whereby even your eyesight is not even doing okay, you know? Have you ever got that headache? I think it's a migraine, something like that, whereby your eyesight starts failing. Whoa, nice. I talked about this earlier, guys. Remember, I said you might be having a very good uptrend and then you get a slight manipulation inside that and the cells and won't be confirmed. Guess what? The uptrend is still moving on. Like, see, it's right here. That's a good example. It's right here. I talked about this earlier, remember? Nice. Let's go again for second attempt. I drink some water, then the henny, and then the tree. Straight from the pharmacy of Cameroon. I've been drinking some water. Yes. Some shots. I'm not working. Yes, Ibuka, yes, about it. Yes, true. Nice, one more.
She's been taking me on. How I feel it all.
How can you love me? How can you love me?
I'm impossible to love.
Do you need to leave me on the beach? Do you want to leave me on the beach? Do you want to leave me on the beach? Or I can watch the sunset. Sunset. Do you want to leave me on the beach? Do you want to leave me on the beach? Where we can watch the sunset.
Take it for granted. I've been too much in my head. I wanna feel it all. Your head on my shoulder, the way you come over. I wanna feel it all.
Kongs. Kongs. That was beautiful. That was nice. That was really nice. Kongs, Vega. How is your wallet? Who's in your wallet? Oh, I've seen it. Sorry, I've seen it. TRC, okay. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone who's been around here. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for everyone who's been around here. Michael Jordan flu games type shit. Oh my days. Guys, will be the end of my day. And thank you guys. Let me go get some rest. I'm not feeling good. Let's try again tomorrow. And for those who are not seeing their names, don't worry. Tomorrow I'm gonna put you on the list. At least today I've done something. At least today we have got something. Let's try again tomorrow, same time. You did some kind of spy. Don't forget about that. And let's try to learn more and try out in our demo accounts, okay? And then let me go get some rest, guys. I'm not feeling quite bit well, okay? Let's meet again tomorrow, okay?